Did you know there are more than 120 plus data sources in Power BI? Well, that's too many. Hello everyone and welcome back to our another video on Power BI. In this video, we are going to look at the different data sources that you can use and connect to Power BI to build your dashboard. But before starting, if you had not downloaded the Power BI, you can click the above icon to watch the video. And after downloading and installing the Power BI, you can start watching from here. So go ahead and open up a blank Power BI as shown in the screen. Once you do that, we will go to the Home tab and then go to the Data section of the Home tab, within which we have that Get Data button. Click on that data, and you will see more options of different data sources from where you can bring up your data. It can be Excel, Power BI datasets, or data flows of SQL Server, CSV file or text files, or even websites. In case you want to have a look at all the different data sources that Power BI support, simply click on More. And it will open up a dialog box, which will contain a list of all the data sources from where you can get your data. So you have the dialog box, you get data here. We have all the different data sources that Power BI supports. It contains all functionality, so you can have data from different files. You can have it from data pieces in case you want to have that Power Platform of Power BI, Azure, online services, and even other which are not categorized. To get your data, in case you don't want to go through the entire list, you can simply search for it in the search box. For example, if I want to get data from Google Sheet, I can simply search for Google Sheet. I will see Google Sheet option. We have different data type such as Excel Workbook, Data Hub, SQL Server, Enter Data, where you can enter the data manually or can copy-paste from the Excel file, Dataverse, and Recent Source. Last option under the Data section, if you click on Recent Sources, you will be able to see all the different data sources that you connected to in Power BI recently. So if I click on this, I will be able to see my most recent data sources to get out. So these are the different data sources which you can connect to Power BI. In the next video, we will be connecting an actual data source into our Power BI. Don't forget to subscribe in order to build your career in data analytic. Soon you will be able to make an interactive dashboard by yourself.